Don't tell my mom that I cut my own hair. No need to worry, sweet Kenzie. Mommy has Monat.
Do you struggle waking up at the crack of dawn with this sense of enthusiasm? Are you seeking a deeper clean? Do you have buildup on your hair from products or well water? Traditional clarifying products can be very drying. Do you have thin hair from hormonal issues or naturally aging hair? Would you believe me if I told you that Monat has something that can help you with all these hair concerns? Start your day off right with a fresh smell of rosemary mint that provides a quick pick-me-up.
Will this lady ever get to the point and just tell me the name of this amazing product?
Our intense repair treatment shampoo and new conditioner. The IRT shampoo penetrates and nurtures the scalp while helping boost natural hair growth and improve follicle strength to reduce thinning. The IRT conditioner is the ideal conditioner to treat thinning hair and contribute to ultimate scalp health, delivers a weightless moisture, and adds vital nutrients.
Comment down